Meaning of herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea. Herbal tea refers to a beverage made from steeping herbs, spices or other plant materials that do not contain the Camellia sinensis plant. Examples of ingredients used to make herbal tea include chamomile, peppermint, ginger, and lemon balm. Herbal teas are often consumed for their health benefits, such as aiding digestion, reducing stress and anxiety, and boosting the immune system. They can also be enjoyed for their flavors and aromas. Unlike traditional teas, which contain caffeine, herbal teas are generally caffeine-free, making them a popular alternative for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake.